Hey guys, today I want to ask you a very important question. Do you know somebody or you yourself are suffering from missed periods, infertility, and weight gain very often? If your answer to these questions is yes, then watch this video until the end because you could be suffering from PCOS. PCOS. If you're a woman, you have probably heard this term at least once in your life. PCOS or polycystic ovary syndrome is a condition where the woman's body produces a large amount of male sex hormone called androgens. These male sex hormones, usually found in small quantities in women, lead to a number of these symptoms. One of the main problems women with PCOS face is excessive weight gain. It is very common in women with PCOS, and studies show that between 40 to 80% of women with this condition are unfortunately obese. So how do we resolve that problem? Well, continue watching this video because I am going to tell you the 5 magic foods that you need to have which will help you to lose weight but also help you to manage your PCOS so that you can lead a healthier and a happy life. So the number one food are whole grains. You would be asking me, why is that so? Well, whole grains are natural grains that have not been processed or refined in a factory. What does that mean? It means that because they have plenty of fiber, whole grains can effectively lower the risk of spike in your blood sugar. This successful management of sugar and insulin levels help you manage your weight gain as effectively as possible, lowering the risk of obesity. Number 2 food that I would recommend to manage your PCOS and to avoid weight gain is fish. The main problem with PCOS is insulin resistance, which is only triggered more by inflammation in the body. Fish is high in omega-3 fatty acids and is a great source of protein. It is a protein source which doesn't have as much omega-6 fat as seed oils, which helps you lower your inflammation in the body, and therefore it lowers the risk of any diseases. It increases the satiety level, keeps you fuller for longer, and helps you lose weight. The number 3 tip is fruits. Symptoms of PCOS are also linked to oxidative stress. High amount of it in the body and a decrease of antioxidants in the body will aggravate this oxidative stress. Fruits like strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries are very high in these antioxidants, which lower inflammation in the body and fight the free radicals that gets produced because of the oxidative stress. They also contain, these fruits, high polyphenols, which is effective in weight loss. Number 4 are green leafy vegetables. Did you know that more than 80% of women who suffer from PCOS are also vitamin B deficient? Well, welcome to the matrix. A vitamin B deficiency is linked to many common symptoms of PCOS such as irregular periods, insulin resistance, hair growth, and surprise, weight gain. So you need to add green leafy vegetable because they are high in vitamin B, which can help you combat these symptoms. For example, 85 grams of spinach, raw spinach, gives you 41% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin B. And last but not the least, tip number 5, you need to consume healthy fats. As I have said time and again, fats are your friends, and it's time to stop being afraid of them. Healthy fats are rich in essential fatty acids, which are important for strengthening your cell walls and also for managing hormones and your weight. Women with PCOS who add healthy fats to their diet can see improvement in hormone regulation as well as in weight management. These 5 foods, guys, can definitely help you cope with PCOS. However, you need to remember to pair it up with a balanced diet and regular exercise. If you want to know more about weight loss, nutrition, and fitness overall, subscribe to my channel right now and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss on any video. Until next time, stay fit, stay safe.